Okay, anyway, so I want to make this video simple. Okay, hi, my name's Lil JOH. Nightmare! I like it, my name's Lil JOH. Okay, nightmare! Okay, hi, my name's Lil JOH, and I want to make these videos, and you know, I make lots of stuff, and some of you may know me from videos, but I make lots of t-shirts. Nightmare! I make lots of things, and I want to make some kind of video series where maybe I can help people like it, and then you can look however in the world you want it. Make some sort of things that they like to make it, like it, so nightmare! And I know maybe some of you are thinking, oh, nightmare! Oh, I'm not creative, I can't make these things, but that's not true. You are definitely favorite creative. You can make whatever you want. So we're gonna do kind of tutorial video series, favorite things. The trick really is to figure out what it is you like it, and what did you like about that thing, and once you're like, oh my god, nightmare, I love this, about these Dragon Balls, I like it, things, then you kind of just take those things, like it, and then you can make whatever heck you want to make these things. So I hope that you are enjoying these videos, and that you kind of learning from these video series. We are showing different ways to make different things which you're able to make and like it, because it's really not that nightmare. All you really have to do is follow my simple step trick and ideas, and once you follow these ideas, step trick and things, then it will be nightmare easily for you to make whatever and heck. So lots of people kind of like some things that I like, they like to buy it, they want to get it for themselves, and I think really key to figure out how to make something really cool is to figure out what it is you really like it, and really pursue that thing, you know, keep working at what you like, and don't be so concerned with what everybody else likes. Nightmare! Do what you like it to do it, because if you do what you like, eventually somebody will be like, oh wow, I really like that too, that's my favorite thing to do. And when you find this person that's like, whoa, that's my favorite thing, that's also that thing, then you are immediately become bad nightmare! So I hope that you can enjoy this video series and that you can learn how to make exactly how these things that you like to do it. And I'm really excited to kick this off. We're going to do lots of these things in these videos, but very first we have a really popular idea really quickly, and the first thing we're going to teach is Adidas Ultra Boost Custom. These are custom Adidas Ultra Boost. I have made 2 of them. This is my blue yellow, is 12.5 size. This is my pink Ultra Instinct Goku, and these are size 13. So you can make it, it's possible for you to make it, it's really not that hard, you know, it just takes some practice, and hey, you gotta mess up. If you don't mess up, then you're not gonna nightmare! But this first step is taking this step, put your foot in the shoe, take the step into making something cool, because you can do it, and I believe in your power to make whatever heck you want, and I know Johari will bless you with his blessings. If you just take that step and make it happen. 2 is Ultra Boost. We're gonna start with Ultra Boost video. That's what's coming next. So make sure to subscription to the show. If you see that little subscription button in corner, smoosh that subscription button in corner, and don't forget to hit the ding dong bell so you don't forget when my videos pop up. And you can learn, oh, I can learn new trick. Lil JOH is teaching me very cool new hip trick. I can learn it to making these shoes. So make sure to subscription, and if you like this video and you're really excited to learn about it and you want to share with your friends, make sure to send, you know, email or Twitter or Facebook or whatever it is, send it to your friends and they can subscription to the show, and we can all learn how to make all these kind of crazy pants and shoes and shirts and hoodies and kneecap protection and all these things, and no more nightmare. There won't be any more nightmare. Nobody's gonna have any more nightmare. Then Bobson Dognut will give you his blessing, and Bobson will help us all the way. So don't forget about Bobson. Don't have nightmare, and come on and more tune into our show, and we're gonna teach you how to make it the coolest kind of things you have never have for to see. Because I believe you are a really creative person. You just may have made a mistake to realize exactly how to do it. Come here, dog. Come here. Jada, come here, Jada. Come over here, doggy. Come here, doggy. You want 3? Come on, doggy. Jada. Come here, Jay. Come here, Jane. Come here, JB. Oh, dog. Okay, so it doesn't look like doggy. Come on, doggy. Come here, Jada. Come over, doggy. Come doggy. Okay. Come here, doggy. Come on, doggy. Come here. Doggy. Come on. No? So maybe it looks like that doggy is not wanting to come over. So make sure for subscription this show, for subscription, and don't forget click for subscription, like for subscription, and send it to your friends for subscription, and we're gonna make some really cool stuff. So first coming up, alter abuse for subscription. Next video teaching how to acquire alter abuse to make some custom. My name's Lil JOH. Okay.
I'm really excited about it. We're gonna sing a song about it. Oh, my foot is long. I hope I get the size alright. My toenail will bend in night when my alter abuse is wrong side. Hey, make sure to try it on. You wanna make your alter boost last long? You can do funky shoelace and some tie from the morning to the night. I want to have extra ultra boost to make sure I can tie my shoes. Do some really fancy knot when my ultra abuse is feeling hot on my foot. I cannot do it, I gotta make sure to tie my lace. Oh, my foot is falling off, so I won't put this shoe on my toenail. Yeah, it's bent too long. I gotta clip my toenail so my shoe will fit well. Wow, you are so strong. Your ultra abuse is less so long. Are you ultra man? Are you ultra abuse? Does the back of your shoe have a shiny boot? Did you make your dye job so good? Can you see this out your ultra abuse? Well, Trunks is strong and the Goku nice. I can see that they will win twice. And the Depiel says you better watch out. You better not cry or you will get a ultra abuse in your eye. Oh, 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 my eyeball hit. And my ultra abuse is how I did it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. But I really just have to fit. But I make 4 shoes for my extra foot. And you can have some ultra abuse if you just learn to have the power every minute, second, and the hour. Wow, wow, look at the Trunks so strong. And the ultra abuse, it will last so long. You have to put your shoe on foot and you will have ultra abuse. Wow, 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 how my shoe so nice. I will make sure that I do lace twice, and we will teach you how to make this lace, and we will show you right to your face. If you watch our show, it's out your abuse, and we can show how to put your foot, and we say, hi doggy, how are you? Can I see the bottom of your foot? You have such a nice paw, and it's so nice to meet you. So long. Hi doggy. Nice doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi, nice to meet you, doggy. Anyway, so that's our ultra boost, and these are going to be our new ultra boost. So we're going to do our next video. Be very sure to tune in, because we're going to teach you exactly how to get your ultra abuse from there to your ultra abuse to from there. So thanks for watching our show, and don't forget subscription. Tune in next time. Thanks for watching. Nightmare! Nightmare! Nightmare!
My name's Lil JOH.